So as you can see, finally got a new setup. Been a long time coming, but we're here. But this video is not about that. So this particular shoe right here, man. When I tell you patience is key, patience is really key. And this is like a great time for people that like want to buy sneakers to add to their collection, because you can buy bricks all day for the low. So this particular pair, I want to say you retailed at like $185, and the lowest I was seeing them for a while was like 140, maybe 135. You know, I was just like, no, I can wait on them. I'm not worried. I'm not pressed to add them. And randomly, you know, I did a quick Google search. Always Google the shoes that you're looking for, because you never know what site will have them for what price. So I Googled them. You know, maybe 2 minutes later, I saw a price that I liked. I jumped on it, and luckily they had my size. So the price I paid, see if you can see that. Is it focusing? $69.99 for a $185 shoe. Can't beat it. So you can see it is a Nike. It is a Nike Air Max Plus 3. Let's go ahead and get into it. Yeah. This shoe is fire. Especially, oh man. Let's go ahead and see what they look like on feet real quick. Yeah, off rip. Crazy comfort level. It might be the combination of the shoes and the socks I'm wearing, but the cushion is wild. For a more roomier fit, I would definitely go a half size up. Like a 12 and a half probably would be like ideal, but it's not, they're not tight, you know. Usually like with the 97s, they run a little tight when I get a 12, but this 12 with the Air Max Plus definitely works. Like I said, the sock is a little cushion. It's a little on the thick side, so if I did like a thinner sock, it'd probably be better. But for a more roomier fit, go up a half size or whatever size that you normally wear in Air Max. Now let's get back to the review. So yeah, man, we got the Nike Tuned Air Max Plus, whatever you want to call it. I want to say this is like the sunset colorway. I know the OG TN Plus similar to this, and I really like that one, but I've never seen anybody with the Air Max Plus 3. If you have one, let me know. And I was like, you know, let me try something different, because that OG pair, I know it came out a few years ago, and like I can't find them in my size for a decent price. So why not get a newer model with the same colorway? And I actually like this. This definitely feels like a 90s runner, man. You throw on a tracksuit or something like that with these, can't go wrong. So as you can see on the upper, you get like a mesh, not an engineered mesh, but pretty sturdy. And then along that toe cap, you get that black leather, which is a nice touch. And then you get that like plastic bumper toe cap that's famous, you know, with the Air Max Plus. And then you get that tuned air right here on the toe, and that's like a canvas material over top of the midsole. I've never seen that before. You get your white midsole, and then you get that Air Max unit on the back in clear, which will definitely turn colors over the years. Then you get the hints of like red, orange right here on the heel as well. More plastic. It definitely feels like a durable shoe. Like, if you want some bang for your buck for like a $185 retail shoe, this shoe definitely feels like it'll hold up for a while. Then you also get that tuned air on the heel. And then on the ankle, or the heel, I guess, definitely on the heel, on the Achilles, you get 5 stripes embroidered. Not sure what that stands for. It reminds me of the Kobe 9s when he had, you know, the stitches from his Achilles rupture when Nike put it up there. So maybe they took inspiration from the Air Max, something I didn't know. And then on the tongue, you get a black leather tongue with that tuned air and your Air Max Plus on it. It's a dope shoe overall. Outsole looks pretty crazy as well.
Yeah, like I said, this was a shoe that was on my radar, and I'm happy to get them, especially for the price that I paid, man. So I didn't mention before, I got these in the size 12. You know, usually with Air Max, I try to do my research. Most of the time, I would have to get like a 12 and a half, but that is extremely rare. So 12 works for me. Unless I can try them on a person, then I might go to 13. But I don't have too many 13s in my collection just because a 12 or a 12 and a half is definitely perfect. So yeah, let me know what you think about these. Hopefully, if you want these, they still have your size. I got these from Chic, I believe. Yeah, I got them from Chic Shoes. I'm not sure if they still have them in stock for that price. I've had these for a little while now. I was just in the process of moving and getting everything set up. So this is why this video is coming so late. But better late than never, man. And it's a brick anyway, so it's not like it's a new release or anything. It's not timely for me to put out this video. But yeah, first video in a new spot, man. Had to come correct with the Air Max Plus for $70. You can't beat that. That is a crazy steal. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Let me know what you think about the setup. Is the lighting okay? Is the audio okay? Like I said, this is my first video, so I'm still like experimenting with different stuff. I definitely want to try out a few different things now that I have the space. So hopefully that'll be on the next video, or not, it'll be in a future video. So with that all being said, man, thank y'all for tuning in once again. I appreciate y'all. Y'all keep me going. Catch y'all next one.